so much to cover. Lamig sa buka. So, oh my god. My forehead is too big. Hindi niya masyadong nakakover. But anyway, this is the Saborino mask. You only need to put this on for like 1 minute. And then that's it. Like, that's your skincare thing for the morning. I haven't used this in a while kasi ang init ng mga nakaraan and ayokong mag-skincare ng umaga ng mainit. You know, like, enough na yung oils ko sa mukha para sa skincare. Okay. Anyway, I think it's been more than a minute. So, like, kasi 1 minute, guys. And then, what you do next is, like, just wipe it on your face. It's really good. This is really good. There are a lot of different types of these masks. And I wash my face. Wala. You don't need to rinse your face. Good morning pala. So today is just a chill vlog because today is Sunday. And our agenda for today is just we're gonna go to church. Yun lang. And tapos kanina umalis sila Gab kasi may basketball clinic dito sa loob ng village. And since gusto ni Gab na mag-basketball, I was actually trying to convince him na maybe football is a better option. May mga napipigilan talaga pag gusto. So, sige, ibigay ang gusto. So, yun, nandun siya kahapon. Nandun siya kanina. Ano ba? Nandun siya ngayon para matuto mag-basketball. Kahapon, we went to South Mall kasi dapat therapy nila mag-ate. Kaso hindi ko nabasa yung message ng OT nila na wala pala silang session yesterday. So, pero okay lang kasi we actually needed to go there kasi kailangan namin bumili ng shoes and other stuff. For them, we also bought yung basketball niya para makalaro siya kasi kailangan may sariling bola. So, yun lang. And I just wanted to show you how much books I need to cover. Cars. Ang dami, guys. Ang dami. Nakakaya. So, yun. Yun lang ang mga kanila ko. Di ba? Butas-butas ka naman yun. Pasensya niya na kasi napakambol babi niya. So, kasi ito pala yung itsura ng mask. Pag nag-dry na siya after a couple minutes. medyo slightly, ever so slightly tacky siya. But it's not ano naman. And just to be real with you guys, I only wear mga ganitong skincare pag medyo nasa ano na tayo. Medyo tag-ulan, taglamig na. Kasi I really hate yung feeling na malagkit sa mukha, even sa makeup. Like, this is the reason why I skip foundation. Kasi I really hate how it feels on the face. May mga foundation na hindi naman ganun. Siguro tamad yung din ako. And if I really wanna cover something on my face, I just use concealer. Order ako sa Shopee ng mga kailangan ko pang orderin. I scored, I think, a great deal with the notebooks cause instead of buying from National Bookstore, kasi nasa upwards of 30 pesos yung mga notebooks. I bought from Shopee, 19 pesos lang isa. So I need 14 books for my grade 5 and grade 6. I need 16 notebooks for my grade 5 and grade 6, and I needed 14 notebooks for my grade 3 and grade 2. So like, imagine if I bought it 30 pesos isa, di ba? Lang depende. So, yeah. Yun lang. I'll see you guys later. Maglalaro lang kami nito tayo. What's that? Wow, good job, baby. Okay, so we already had our lunch. And today is church day. So mamaya pupunta kami ng church. Around 2:30.
Makeup ka na.
Makeup na daw ako. It's currently 1:31. I really need to get ready kasi medyo matagal ako mag-makeup. But buti na lang ginawa ko na yung kilay ko. Tinatamad din kasi ako mag-makeup. Pero teka guys, sabi nila meron akong eyebrow blindness. Kasi daw makapal ako mag-kilay. Babe, makapal ba yung kilay ko today?
Hindi. Ano nagsabi?
Wala ba? Sarili ko. Marami kasing personality. Like mga 100. Anyway, so sana manood muna nung Reborn. Parang Japanese na action movie siya. Kaya lang, it's giving no time anymore because it's, yun nga, 1:30 na. I gotta get my groove on. So, yun. Say hi.
Too much time.
So, we are currently on the way to church. We're actually running late. So, Gab, did you enjoy the basketball thing earlier?
Yeah.
Why is your hair like that? Bro,
Mama
it looks weird.
like this, and now he doesn't want to.
But anyway, medyo late na kami kasi what's new? Tama, babe. What's new? Hindi, late kami ngayon kasi si Kaya late nagising. I was trying my best to do what I need to do before she wakes up. Pero nung kukuha ko ng diaper sa kwarto, bigla siya nagising. So lahat, wala, na-delay na. So, yun. Kaya, dapat talaga everything is ready by the morning para alis na lang. But, hindi naman masyadong traffic yung dinadaanan namin. So, we can get there at least. Siguro mga few minutes lang na. They usually naman hanggang anong oras yung mga sa kids? 3:30. Usually 3:30 nagko-close yung mga kids. Kailangan lang namin mahabol. Patingin natin. Thank you. Thank you. So, we're at Carnival. Gusto silang kumain na sa kanila. It's my turn to eat. This is their humble setup. We've been a fan since they opened. And we're still a bunch of loyal customers because their food is dope. So, we're just waiting for my order.
What's your order?
So, we're just waiting for my order from Carnival. Guys, if you haven't tried their burgers, you're missing out. They always have new menu every month. Well, nire-retain naman nila yung yung iba. But, ano yung ginagawa mo, babe? Olivia, how is it?
Nice.
Nice.
Delicious.
How's the churro?
Delicious. 10 star experience.
Gab, what did you say? The rating?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Delicious. Grandpa! What's my face look like? I want to see my face.
How about this girl? Sheesh! Sarap. Guys, ang laki niya, no? Like, the heck? Huge. So, we're finally home na. And, so kanina pala, alala ni Olivia na meron akong prinami sa kanila. Screen thing with churro. So, naalala niya. Sabi ko, sige na nga. Kasi we were supposed to go to Wendy's to get Frosties after church. Kasi, madalas namin ginagawa. Parang after church, we run to Wendy's. Kasi malapit lang sa church. Ay, nakalimutan pala namin pumunta sa Abinsons. Nandun kasi yung service center ng Epson. I wanted tong ink tank ng printer ko na mapalinis kasi I did not know na yung ink na binigay sa akin was fake, and I think hindi rin naman alam binigay sa akin na fake. Kasi parang pinapalitan yata nila yung kasi ng ink for their printer. I think we had the same printer, and yun, binigay niya lang sa akin. Siyempre, ako naman, like, go, magkano rin yung magkano rin yung ink. Parang 300. Pero marami naman yung napiprint. So yun, gastos na lang, I think around 6,000 yata yung
pag-clean ng ink tank. But I really have to do it. I have no choice. Kasi ayoko masira yung printer. Kasi nga, ang mahal din nun 10,000 yung bili ko doon. So like, hati kami ni Jet. Kasi binili ko yon kasi na homeschool yung mga kids. And I opted to get that printer. Kasi I was thinking long-term use. So, yun. Okay naman siya. Maganda naman. Epson yun eh. Kaya lang, yun nga, unfortunately, I have it cleaned or else. If I prolong it pa, baka hindi na gumana and I cannot afford to buy a new one. So, yun. Anyway, share ko lang pala tong light ko sa inyo. Di ba may pailaw si Madam? Yan. Yan. Naka-flip lang siya dito sa table na sa bed na niregalo sa kanya. So, I use that when I draw or like write or whatever type sa laptop. So, yun. Laters. Okay, so it's leaving maduming salamin. But it's already 10:30 and I wanna sleep na. No, but actually, baka order ako ng tteokbokki. You know, PMS cravings, guys. Hindi, pag meron ako, ang lakas ko mag-crave ng kung ano-ano pagkain eh. So, baka umorder ako nun. Hati kami ni Jet kasi ano pa naman sa Jet, mag-OOT siya. So, yun lang guys. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching this boring vlog. Yun lang. See you in the next one.